What's up? What's up? I know, right? Yes. Yes, this is going out the door. This is just sold. We got from Shortbox, right? We're stoked. I hope, this is something that's been with us for 20 years, 3 years. The Crusty Collection Top 5, number 3, OG Crust, Circle, Square, Triangle. I put in this oversized bag because so I can, we can look at it and read it. And let's give it the last look over before she leaves. She leaves tomorrow morning, right? She leaves tomorrow morning. Stan Lee, Don Hick, Don Harris, and Ars Scenic. It's just a gem of a book, gem of a story, right? Shots fired. Shot is fired. Iron Man's like, don't go, bro. Thor's mad. So the Enchantress. Can't wait to see some of that action. So here we go. That was the clean leftovers. I don't know what to say. There you go. The crust is the top 3 crust. I'm going to sit in this bag, so he can play with it. He can rebag it himself if whatever he wants to do with it. He or she. Sorry. I'm gonna give him the crusty backboard too. So, I'm just kind of speechless, right? Yeah, say bye-byes. You say your bye-byes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I guess I would say part of comic book collecting, if you want to go in this direction, is letting go of stuff. I let go of a lot of stuff last year, a little bit of this year, and I know what I'm going to be in my mind, what I want out of this, so I'm stoked. Look. He's like, yeah. He's flexing out. Good deal. I took his offer. I don't know what to say, man. Just want to give you a moment just to stare at it. You can chit chat. Me talk to the book. Right? Talk to Weedo. Weedo's always kind of bat might sit by. Weedo. Ready to go. We're going to pack it up, put it in a box. And basically that was it, man.